Flashlight down here, and then you see I've got there's a cat ball going off. You got that? And we'd really like you to bring the missing envelope back. That would be great. Flashlight above where the envelope was taken.
Yep.
Wow.
So that is the drawer, right?
Below that is the door. Do you remember Lori? Look, it's still going. Yeah. Aww. Do you like the new owners? You like Bridget and Mike? Good.
Yeah, I think they're switching.
Yeah.
No, what's happening back there?
I'm not sure.
That might be Birdie. That's where she spent most of her time.
Haircut. Hey lovelies, welcome back to our channel, Get Spooky Society. We are back at the Cedar Grove Tavern.
We should just buy this place.
I just started working here or something. So some shenanigans have definitely been going on. I will put a picture in the video of what we were sent by the owner. We cannot explain it. I will explain it a little bit in more depth later. But yeah, we're back. Again.
Let's see what happens.
Alright?
I don't know.
If you haven't, please smash that subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up. Comment, share, anything you can do for free helps our channel. And so Dale, I guess it's time to
Get spooky.
If there's anybody in here that wants to talk to us, we know somebody goes back and forth down this hallway into the kitchen.
Any of those things that you see laying around, the flashlights and the little balls, they're all harmless. And if you could touch one of them or just go near one of them for a yes answer, it helps to understand what you want to say.
Anybody's here, we came in here to talk to you because they didn't want to talk to us anymore in the bar. Can you turn that flashlight on? Okay, nobody's in there. Unless, okay, no.
Is there someone in here that wants to talk? Can you go near that again?
Tripwire. Pink. Tripwire. Okay. It's official. We have people. Who's in the hallway? Do we know the name of the person from the hallway, Lori?
I can't remember his name. I do believe he ended before Lowell.
Okay. Is there another previous owner in the hallway? Can you do that again?
Jack. For some reason I think Jack.
Jack? Jack, are you in the hallway?
I may be wrong, but
That's interesting. Kitchen, hallway. It's
Yeah.
exactly what they say.
Right.
Can you light something up if you know we're here?
That was me.
Light something up if you know we're here. If you can hear my voice.
If you're in here with me, can you go near that black box again? Just touch the antenna. Just let me know you're here. We just want to know why you're here and possibly who you are, if you'd like to tell us. It's like as soon as you start giving them attention, they stop.
I'll put that in there.
Yeah.
Hallway. Thank you. Can you come in here with us?
Yeah, that's me.
I'm gonna just stand over here to see if the ball goes off. See, I'm not sure it's that much of they're intelligent. I think they're just. That's the hallway. What would be amazing is if they would touch that flashlight or that
I don't get it. Can that be you? it that sensitive? Must be.
Not me. iPhone for the third time. I don't know. I was clear around the corner. How could that have been me?
Try it again. For fun. Just for experiment.
Not me.
There's no way in hell. You're like 30 foot away from them, at least. I don't know. I'm feeling pendulum. Something.
Flashlight.
Sweet.
Finally. Is that in your screen?
Yes.
Thank you. Can you turn it off? Thank you so much. Can you turn that back on if you can hear me? Please? Turn that flashlight back off if you can hear me, please. Oh. Thank you. That was very bright. That's in the kitchen. Although the thing just shut off, I wonder if it jiggled it or something.
That should shut it off.
I know. Can you turn that flashlight back on if you used to own this place? Please? You did? Thank you. Thank you very much. Did you pass away here? Can you turn on if you passed away here? flashlight for me. You did. That was very bright. Thank you. Thank you so much. So we have that tripwire and the flashlight now in the hallway.
Unless anything else when I go back here.
And then, yeah. That's okay. That'll go off, that's all right.
Yep. Do you want to tell us anything? Can you turn that back on? Turn that back on if there's something you need to say. Please. There is. Okay. We're here to listen to you. Are we still talking to Mole? That was really delayed. I don't think we're talking to Mole anymore. I think you're answering my head. Are we talking to the owner before Mole had it?
Is it that?
Yeah. Turn that on if we're talking to the owner before Mole. Please. We're talking to Mole though. What do you want to tell us? Okay, I'm nowhere near that thing that's going on. And I'm not near. What's that? The one in there?
I don't think so. I didn't see any lights.
Was this one? Well, you need to give us a little bit more, please. We're trying to help you. Bridget and Mike want to help you. Yeah, thank you. Please turn it off. Back away from it. We all want to help you. But you got to tell us what it is you need. I can't remember now if it came on when I asked if they passed away in the hallway, or if they passed away here.
I don't think it did at the time.
Okay. So maybe we still are talking to Mole. And the flashlight. Can you turn that off? Please turn it off.
It's crazy how it pulses.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm trying to confirm who we're talking to.
Is the phone still on when you talk?
I turned it off. Because it was coming up with stupid words. As soon as we get one thing to shut off, then another fan of some kind comes on. Oh my god. Flashlight again. Yeah. Okay. Please turn that, now that you're getting the hang of it, please turn that flashlight on if you owned this tavern. Let's just confirm it again that you owned the tavern. Now you don't want to talk? Did anything happen in the other room?
They don't even talk to him. I was trying to get him to.
Turn that on. Okay, thanks. Turn it off, please. Did you own the tavern before mold? Turn the flashlight on if you owned the tavern before mold. That is in there. In the bar.
Oh, the one by the bottles.
Yes. Because I know that wasn't coming from back here that time.
Was that light doing that before? Does it change colors
Oh, yeah.
where the bottles are? Didn't notice that before.
Okay.
Did they work here?
Did you work here? Can you turn that on if you worked here? It's so frustrating when it's like pulling teeth. And I've got this on again, it's not saying anything. It's been really quiet. Can you turn that on if you're still here? It did say tired a long time ago. Because that REM pod sounds different, the one behind the bar. I know it was that one. Alright, I'm gonna go get the pendulum board.
I'll get it.
Okay. If you want to talk to me through this beautiful crystal, can you swing it in a clockwise circle? Clockwise circle to me if you want to talk to me through this. Really big. I need it to be a really big clockwise circle, as big as you can make it. Make me believe you. Which one was that?
Kitchen.
Really big clockwise circle. Make me believe you. You're getting there. Bigger. Bigger. Thank you. If we are talking to a male, swing this to the yeses. Thank you.
Lion.
Erlen. If we are talking to the same spirit that's turning on the flashlights, swing this in a counterclockwise circle, please. Swing this in a counterclockwise circle if we're speaking to the same spirit turning on the flashlights. I need it to be bigger. Please make it bigger.
That's a yes.
Now I'm getting a very big unknown. Have you been standing in the hallway, swing this to the yeses.
Fireplace.
We don't have a fireplace. Swing this to the yeses, bigger than that if you've been standing in the hallway.
They said there's a fireplace in the house.
If you were behind the bar, would you swing this? If you were behind the bar earlier, swing this in a clockwise circle. Thank you. Are there any females here with you tonight? That is a big no. So whoever that female is in the picture is not here tonight.
It's like ladies got better things to do than hang out.
Good point. You say there's a fireplace in the house. Okay. Did you used to own this place? Swing it to the yeses. You're getting really good at this now. Can you make it bigger? Make it a little bigger than that. You got it. There you go. Where was that?
Kitchen.
Okay. Did you own this place in the 1990s? Swing this in a counterclockwise circle if you owned it in the 1990s. Flashlight. And I'm getting a no. Thank you for turning that on. If you owned it before mole, I need you to swing this to the yeses. Thank you. If mole is if mole's still here with us tonight, can you swing this in a clockwise circle? Would they have known each other?
I don't know. Possibly, but I don't know.
Right. Well, they're both still here. If there's something that you need to tell the new owners, the current owners, swing this to the yeses. And that would be a no. Do you know what happened to the missing envelope? Swing this to the yeses if you know what happened to the missing envelope. Does Mole know what happened to the missing envelope? I cannot make this up. Are you getting this?
Oh yeah.
Will Mole bring the missing envelope back? Make it bigger. There you go. That is a very big yes.
Do we know when?
If you can make the envelope come back quickly this year, turn it in a clockwise circle. Thank you. They would really appreciate it. Is there anything else you want to tell us? do. Okay. Is there an issue? Turn it in a counterclockwise circle if there's an issue.
What's that thing right there?
That's a no, there's no issue. Do you like the new owners? You like Bridget and Mike? Good. If that's what you want to tell us, can you turn this in a clockwise circle? Can you make it bigger? If Mole likes Bridget and Mike, can you make it stop in the center? Completely stop. Can you please make it stop in the center? Won't completely stop. And now, can you make it turn in a counterclockwise circle? Can you make it bigger? Really, really big. Thank you. You've been really good tonight.
Well, that thing's really going out.
Thank you for talking to us. We're glad that you like Bridget and Mike. It's like making my hand move. And somebody's in the kitchen.
And the light came on.
And the light's on. They'll get it. Thank you. I don't think there's an issue.
Did you notice that when you were doing the pendulum,
Yeah.
almost nothing happened in there?
Yeah. Except the kitchen.
Oh, yeah, I don't get that. That's somebody else.
I don't think it. Just from what I do, Mole, I don't think he would keep. I think he'd be annoyed. You know?
Annoyed of what?
Of questions and everything. Because, like when he passed away, when I went in to say goodbye, like I'm not gonna do a big call, I love you, because I know you'll haunt me the rest of my life if I do.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna tell you bye, I love you, and
That's why now it's the other guy calling.
yeah, I think they're switching.
Yeah.
No, what's happening back there?
I'm not sure.
That might be Birdie. That's where she spent most of her time.
Haircut.
Birdie was in the kitchen all the time.
Was she? Birdie, are you back in the kitchen?
Birdie's also deceased.
Yes.
Birdie, can you touch that black box again if you're here?
Birdie used to try to cut my hair to make me have babies. I told you that.
Yes.
She was a bitch. Yeah. I ran right through here away from her one time trying to get my hair.
That's awesome.
It's crazy.
Well, I don't think we're gonna get much more. I don't think there's a problem. I think there's just a lot
There's a lot of spirits here.
A lot of spirits here.
A lot of activity.
Yeah. Hey lovelies, that wraps up another episode of the Get Spooky Society here at the Cedar Grove Tavern. Our second home. I don't know. I hope we've gotten some answers, but it's hard to say at this point.
Right. You let us know what you make of it.
Exactly. Until next time.
Stay spooky.